Hi, I'm Matt Mosier, broker with RE/MAX Parry Sound, Muskoka, and today's a very special day. I'm excited for this property to be finally hitting the market, and here's the top reasons why this property is amazing. If you're looking for a large private property, here we have approximately 130 acres of property, which is a mix of open fields and about 70 acres of woods with trails throughout. If you're looking for a waterfront property, here we have approximately 3,800 feet of water frontage on Mutton Lake and also along the river that flows into the lake. The majority of the water frontage is on the river section. If you love watching sunsets, here we have beautiful sunsets all year round from your massive deck or from inside the home. Attached to the house, we have a huge 25 foot by 25 foot double car garage, and there's also a detached, separate, massive workshop. But it doesn't stop there. Once we go inside the home, you'll see that every inch of this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is stunning. So let's go inside and I'll show you what could be your forever home. So as we enter the kitchen, you'll notice it's a large kitchen. I call this chef-size kitchen, and it's great layout. We have a big island in the middle. We have an eating nook over in the corner. There's also a more formal dining area as well. And also we have a walkout right to the massive deck, or you can stay inside and enjoy the beautiful views of your property and also the sunset right from your kitchen. And this is one of my favorite rooms of the house. The ambiance is amazing with the wood stove, and also we have tons of light coming in from the windows, so you can be inside enjoying those sunsets overlooking your property. Also, we have just under 10-foot high ceilings, and this whole main level, including this room, has in-floor heating. So now we're upstairs and we're in the main or the principal bedroom. A couple cool things about this bedroom is we're on a corner, so we have 2 walls of windows, tons of light. We have a 5-piece ensuite bathroom, and we have to check out the walk-in closet. It's massive. If you have questions about this property or to book a showing, call or text me at 705-774-8944 or email at info@mattmosier.ca.